Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunie.
Today we will practice easy English.
Yes, simple English you can use today.
Bunie, how are you?
I'm good. I'm a little busy.
Busy is normal these days.
Yes, Lunar New Year is coming.
I can feel it too.
The streets look brighter.
And the shops look crowded.
But it feels fun.
If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe.
And comment one sentence for practice.
Write this. This year I will blank for Lunar New Year.
One simple sentence. We will read your comments.
Many people say, Happy New Year, and then stop. They don't know what to say next.
Today, you will learn real sentences for real life.
Stay to the end.
At the end, you will get one perfect message to text your boss or your teacher.
Step 1. Say what it is and when it is. Step 1 is the basics. Say what Lunar New Year is. Say when it is. Say one simple meaning.
Use short sentences. Use easy words. Here are the best starter sentences. It's Lunar New Year. It's also called the Spring Festival. In Vietnam, many people call it Tet. It's the New Year based on the lunar calendar. It's the New Year based on the moon calendar. The date changes every year. It usually comes in late January or February.
If someone asks, What is it? You can answer in one sentence. Families get together, eat special food, and wish for luck. That is it. Simple and clear.
You can also say why it is special. It's a big family holiday. It's a time for a fresh start. It's a time to say good wishes. It's a time to visit family.
Add one feeling to sound natural. It feels warm. It feels hopeful. It's busy but fun. It makes me feel close to my family.
Now let's use time words. Time words make your English sound real. Lunar New Year is coming soon. Lunar New Year is next week. Lunar New Year is this month. I'm getting ready for it.
And you can describe the city. The city looks festive. There are red lights everywhere. There are flowers and many shops. People are buying gifts. The markets are busy.
If you want to talk to a foreign friend, use a simple comparison. It's like New Year's Day because it's a new start. It's like Christmas because it's about family, but it's on a different calendar.
Role play. Hey, Bunie, what holiday is coming?
It's Lunar New Year.
Oh, nice. When is it?
It's usually in late January or February. The date changes every year.
What is it in simple words?
Families get together, eat special food, and wish for luck.
That's easy. Is it a big holiday?
Yes, it's a big family holiday. It feels warm and hopeful.
Kay, I want to tell my coworker about Tet.
Okay, say this. In Vietnam, we call it Tet.
And then?
It's the new year based on the lunar calendar.
Good. One more sentence?
It's like New Year's Day, but on a different calendar.
Perfect. That sounds clear. Step 2. Talk about your plans before the holiday. Step 2 is before the holiday. People always prepare. We will talk about two groups. Group 1, clean and decorate. Group 2, shop and travel.
Let's start with Group 1, clean and decorate. Before Lunar New Year, we clean the house. We clean the kitchen. We clean the living room. We tidy up our rooms. We throw away old things. We want a fresh start.
Add one reason with because. We clean the house because we want a fresh start. I clean my room because I want to feel calm. We tidy up because guests may come.
Now decorating. We decorate the house. We put up red decorations. We put flowers in the house. We make the house look new. Red means good luck. The house looks brighter.
Now, Group 2, shop and travel. Shopping first. We go shopping for food. We buy snacks and sweets. We buy fruit. We buy gifts for family. We go to the market. The market is crowded.
Add simple want sentences. I want to buy a small gift for my parents. I want to buy flowers. I want to buy new clothes. I want to prepare early.
Now, travel. I'm going back to my hometown. I'm visiting my grandparents. I booked my ticket early. The roads will be crowded. The bus station will be busy. I will leave on Friday.
Use this year I will for a plan. This year I will stay in the city. This year I will visit my parents. This year I will travel earlier. This year I will keep it simple.
Use time words again. A few days before Lunar New Year. The week before Lunar New Year. Right before Lunar New Year.
Use examples with time words. A few days before Lunar New Year, I clean my room. The week before Lunar New Year, I go shopping. Right before Lunar New Year, we decorate the house. On the last day of the year, we cook a lot.
People also talk about work. I'm busy at work this week. I want to finish everything before the holiday. I will take a few days off. I want to rest during the holiday. Role play 1. Step 2. Bunie, what do you do before Lunar New Year?
We do two things. We clean and we prepare.
What do you clean?
We clean the house and tidy up our rooms.
Why do you clean?
We clean because we want a fresh start.
Do you decorate too?
Yes, we put up red decorations and we buy flowers.
What about shopping?
We go shopping for food, snacks, and gifts.
Role play 2.
Bunie K, are you traveling this year?
Yes, I'm going back to my hometown.
When will you leave?
I will leave on Friday. I booked my ticket early.
Good idea. The roads will be crowded.
Yes, that's why I want to leave early. This year, I will stay in the city.
Nice. A quiet holiday can be good too.
Step 3. Use greetings and wishes during the holiday.
Step 3 is what to say during Lunar New Year. This step helps you talk to anyone, friends, co-workers, family, neighbors.
First, use a simple greeting. Happy Lunar New Year. Happy New Year. Wishing you a Happy New Year.
After the greeting, say one wish. Use I wish you. Use I hope you. Here are easy wishes. I wish you health. I wish you happiness. I wish you good luck. I wish you success. I wish you peace.
But you do not need 10 wishes. You only need 3 strong ones. Top 3 wishes: health, happiness, good luck. Copy these top 3 sentences. I wish you health and happiness. I wish you good luck this year. I hope you have a great year.
Use hope to sound gentle. I hope you stay healthy. I hope your family is safe. I hope good things come to you.
Now, how do you reply? Keep it easy. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Same to you. Thank you. I wish you the same.
Here are polite lines for older people. Happy New Year. It's nice to see you. Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
Now, add one small follow-up question. This keeps the conversation going. Do you have any plans for the holiday? Are you traveling this year? What do you usually do for Lunar New Year? What do you eat for Lunar New Year? Do you visit family?
Good. You greet, you wish, you ask one question. That is a real conversation. Role play 1. Step 3. Happy Lunar New Year, Bunie.
Happy New Year, Kay.
I wish you health and happiness.
Thank you. Same to you.
Are you traveling this year?
Yes, I am. I'm visiting my parents.
Nice. I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you. I hope you have a great year too.
Role play 2. Step 3.
Hi, Kay. Happy Lunar New Year.
Happy New Year. I hope you have a great year.
Thank you. You too.
What do you usually do for Lunar New Year?
I usually visit my grandparents and eat a big meal.
That sounds wonderful. How about you? I usually stay with family and watch fireworks.
Step 4.
Talk about traditions, food, lucky money, and activities.
Step 4 is traditions. Traditions are easy conversation topics. You can talk about food, lucky money, and activities.
Use this pattern. We usually, in my family, many people, some families.
First topic, food. We eat special foods. We cook traditional dishes. We have a big family meal. We eat together. We share food with relatives.
Add examples. Keep them simple. Some families make dumplings. Some families make spring rolls. In Vietnam, many people eat sticky rice cake. We also eat fruit and sweets. We drink tea and talk.
Talk about meaning in easy words. Some foods mean luck. Some foods mean a good year. Food is a way to share love.
Second topic, decorations. We decorate with red and gold. Red means good luck. We put flowers in the house. We hang banners. The house looks bright.
Third topic, lucky money. Say it gently and politely. We give lucky money in red envelopes. Kids often get lucky money. It's a symbol of good luck. It's not about the money. It's about the wish.
Some people say red packet. Some people say red envelope. Both are okay.
Now here are polite curiosity questions. These questions help you talk with friends or coworkers. Do you give lucky money in your family? Do kids get red envelopes? Do you say a short wish when you give it? Do you give it on the first day?
You can answer in a simple way. Yes, we do. Yes, kids get it. We say, good luck. We give it on the first day. We give it to younger family members.
Fourth topic, activities. We visit family. We wear nice clothes. We take photos. We watch fireworks. We watch lion dances. We go to a temple. We pray for a good year. We play games at home.
You can also talk about what you do not do. In my family, we don't watch lion dances. Some families do it, but mine doesn't. I want to try it this year.
Roleplay 1, Step 4. What do you usually eat for Lunar New Year?
We eat special foods. We cook traditional dishes.
Like what?
Some families make dumplings. In Vietnam, many people eat sticky rice cake. Do you eat together?
Yes, we have a big family meal. Do you give lucky money?
Yes, we give lucky money in red envelopes.
Is it about the money?
No, it's not about the money. It's about the wish.
Roleplay 2, Step 4.
Kate, do you give red envelopes in your family?
Yes, we do. Kids get them.
Do you say a short wish when you give it?
Yes, I say good luck and be healthy.
That's sweet. Do you watch fireworks?
Sometimes. We also take photos and play games.
Sounds fun and cozy.
Step 5. Share feelings, a mini story, and simple comparisons.
Step 5 makes you sound natural. It makes your English warm. Talk about feelings. Talk about memories. Tell a short story. Make a simple comparison.
Start with feelings. I feel happy during Lunar New Year. I feel grateful. I feel hopeful. I feel close to my family. I feel calm after cleaning the house. I feel tired, but I feel happy.
Talk about what you like most. My favorite part is the family time. My favorite part is the food. My favorite part is visiting my grandparents. My favorite part is the fresh start. My favorite part is the wishes.
Talk about a polite, not-so-good thing. Travel can be hard. It can be crowded. I get tired. But overall, I love it. But it is still worth it.
Now tell a short mini story. Keep it easy, 4 or 5 sentences. Last year, I went back to my hometown. I ate dinner with my parents. We laughed a lot. We took photos together. I felt grateful.
Now I will do one. Last year, I stayed in the city. I called my family in the morning. I sent messages to my friends. I ate a small meal at home. I felt peaceful.
Great. That is real English. Now, comparisons. Comparisons help a foreign friend understand fast. It's like Christmas because it's about family. It's like New Year's Day because it's a new start. It's similar to Thanksgiving because we eat together. But the traditions are different.
Now you can explain it in one easy line. It's our big family holiday. We eat together and wish for luck.
Now, the perfect message for your boss or your teacher. Keep it polite, keep it short. Here are two options.
Option 1. Happy Lunar New Year. Wishing you health and happiness. Thank you for your support.
Option 2. Happy New Year. I hope you have a great year. Thank you and all the best.
You can send this by text or email. It is polite and safe.
Now, one more role play to practice step 5. Feelings, story, comparison, message. Role play 1, step 5. Bunie, how do you feel during Lunar New Year?
I feel happy and hopeful.
What is your favorite part?
My favorite part is the family time. I feel close to my family.
Do you have a memory from last year?
Yes. Last year, I visited my parents. We ate dinner together. We laughed a lot. I felt grateful.
That's lovely. How do you explain Lunar New Year to a foreign friend?
I say, it's like New Year's Day because it's a new start. And it's like Christmas because it's about family.
Role play 2, step 5.
Kay, I want to text my teacher. What can I say?
You can say, Happy Lunar New Year. Wishing you health and happiness. Thank you for your support.
That sounds polite.
Yes, it's short and kind.
I will send it today.
Great. And you can also text a friend.
Like what?
Happy New Year. I hope you have a great year.
Easy. I like it.
Now let's recap the 5 steps. Step 1. Say what Lunar New Year is and when it is. Step 2. Talk about your plans before the holiday in 2 groups. Step 3. Greet, wish, and ask one follow-up question. Step 4. Talk about traditions, food, decorations, lucky money, and activities. Step 5. Share feelings, tell a mini story, and make simple comparisons.
5 steps, easy English, real life.
Now it's your turn. Comment one sentence. This year I will blank for Lunar New Year.
Or comment, for Lunar New Year, I usually...
Write one sentence. Keep it simple. Thanks for watching Mr. K English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you in the next video.
Bye.